This custody case started with calm cooperation. Then tuition turned into a ticking time bomb.
You brought this case before the court. What's going on?
We were married, got a divorce a couple of years back. The last 6 years of our son's life, our son's 6, have been not easy, but between us, we're pretty amicable. We get along, and a lot of decisions we make together for our son. We're coming into this new decision here soon of what our son's going to go into for school and different programs. He has been paying child support, but the dues that are going to come up with school are going to be more. And I wanted to try and get more child support, hopefully to split the difference in the cost of that.
Okay, how much is he paying you right now in child support?
$430.
At first, this sounds wholesome. Two parents staying civil, trying to send their gifted son to the right school. But underneath that, notice mom's ask, more support to cover the new tuition. Anytime private school comes up in child support court, you know the numbers debate is about to begin. Question for you, is private school a basic need or a luxury? Drop your verdict.
And what is it that you're asking in terms of the split?
Our son's dues are going to be $1,100 for the new school.
What school is this?
It's a private school, but he's a brilliant boy, and I think we've done a great job raising him, so to put him into a school that really fits his personality and his education level, I think we agree is important for him. So.
Okay. And what do you have to say about this?
Well, you know, I kind of let her make those decisions.
In terms of the school, you're okay with the school?
In terms of the school, I'm okay. I trust her. It's actually, you know, splitting it is going to be more on the front end, but it's actually less. I looked it up, and it's 9 months.
Okay.
At $550 will actually be less child support for me in the next year. So I'm not sure that's what she wanted to do. So I'm saying okay.
Okay. So you guys agree that you would split the $1,100? Is that what I'm understanding?
We agreed that we would split the schooling, but the trouble that we're coming into here is just the length of time. I don't want to go 3 months without having any child support, if that's what he's bringing to case.
Is that what you're trying to say?
Yeah, if we're talking about splitting the tuition, then we're splitting $1,100 in 9 months. That's less money for the year than if I just continued to pay child support to her.
And here's where the dad does courtroom math. Splitting tuition actually saves him money, but his worry is legit. He doesn't want a few months where no cash flows to mom because their kid still eats 12 months a year. Whew, this is where family law collides with calendar math.
I'm okay with it, so if that's her decision.
What we're disagreeing with is just the length of time. I want to at least receive the $430 for the remaining 3 months if that's what decided. I'm not sure how that works in terms of the court, but
Yeah, unfortunately it wouldn't work like that. We wouldn't be able to do it like that because then we would be sending a withholding order to your employer for 9 months and then at the 3rd month have to hope that it reaches them in time enough for the 3 months for it to go down. So it doesn't really work like that. So it either has to be something you guys agree on in terms of what it is, like the amount, the $550, and it would have to continue one for the full year. I mean, you think about it like this, those 3 months, there are going to be things that your son will probably need while he's with mom that she will be able to get.
Yeah.
definitely daycare. I mean, that's still.
I mean, I understand she has expenses, but so basically, if she decides that he's going to go to a private school, my child support is going to be raised 12 months a year, even though that's a 9-month decision.
The judge clarified support isn't seasonal like pumpkin spice. It has to be year-round for stability. Her analogy was simple. Those off months still have food, clothes, and activities. Courts avoid the start-stop chaos. Steady support is the rule, even if tuition is just 9 months.
Yeah, because it has to extend through the entire year. Otherwise, based on your tax returns, I can base your child support off of what it should actually be.
No, I think we're okay.
Oh, okay. I was gonna say because
What would that look like?
well, if we did it based off of your tax returns again and your W-2, you make $62,500 a year, correct?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so health insurance. Who carries health insurance?
We split it.
Okay, good. You guys, double insured. That's very good. That's very good. So if we did your gross, how much do you pay in health insurance for the child?
I pay, mine is like $60.
$60?
$60 a month is all on.
Okay. So giving you credit for the $60, that'll bring your gross down. Let me see. Minus the $60, that will bring your gross to about, let's say $5,100, net at $4,156.64. How many children do you have
I have 2 other children.
that are under the age of 18?
Yes.
Okay. So, that would
Math bomb incoming. Based strictly on income, Dad's support could have been $665. But here's the twist. By calmly agreeing to $550 and splitting tuition, both parents avoided a bigger order. This is rare, a courtroom compromise that actually lowers tension. In many states, that's called a deviation by agreement, a legal way for parents to craft their own plan instead of defaulting to the strict formula.
be 16%. Yeah, your child support would be about $665.
Yeah, I think I'm okay with I'm okay with the
The 550?
The 550.
I
if you
think
are.
the
That's
550
okay.
is good too. I think it's good too. And I mean, you guys will be splitting the tuition, essentially.
Since your insurance is better than mine, just because of your occupation, is there something, I mean, I am all about protecting our son on both sides, but if he was to have full insurance over our son, is that something that we address here, or is that something that we address outside of court?
Oh no, you can do it on your own independently. You can go ahead and actually drop your insurance if you would like, because he at least is still covered under Dad's insurance, and there will be nothing wrong with that. Okay?
So we'll discuss that after. Okay.
Okay. Is that all? You guys have anything else?
I guess, when does it take effect?
It'll take effect the first of each month. So
So
What-
if today's the 3rd, then it doesn't take effect until the 1st of next
until the
month.
first of next month, yeah.
And there it is, rare sighting in family court. Harmony. Instead of winner versus loser, the judge praised this as co-parents actually protecting their kids' education. The vibe flipped from conflict to teamwork. If you're still here, drop a pencil in the comments, because school supplies and tuition just became the unlikely peacemakers.
So the law gave a framework, but the parents wrote their own ending. Child support didn't tear them apart. Tuition actually pushed them closer. Question for you: was this about money, or was this about both parents proving they'll invest in their son's future? The jury of comments is now in session. This is Court View, where drama meets the gavel.